Alright, in this video I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to get a shareable link in Fusion 360. So here I have a part file, I have a drawing over on the left, all in my data panel, and I want to share them and create links. So if I go to the data panel, if it's closed, you've got to expand it with this little grid button. Then you're going to go ahead and you'll right click on the design that you want to share. Scroll down to Share Public Link and click on that. It'll pop up a window. You'll go ahead and click the slider, which is going to turn on the sharing, and it will give you a link here. Copy that link. If you want, you can allow it to be downloaded, or you can turn it off if you'd like, and then click Close. And now you have a shareable link that can be pasted wherever you want. In the case of a drawing file, which has a dependent file, in this case the red part, if you right click on that and say share public link, then when you turn it on, you'll notice that it says this design has reference to one or more other designs, meaning this drawing has a reference to the block that it is a drawing of. And so to avoid sharing reference designs, perform a break link on those references before sharing. So if I didn't want to have the reference design shared, I could break the link. I don't really care about that, so I'll go ahead and turn this on. I'm going to make it so that it can't be downloaded, and then hit copy. All right, that's it. Have a great day.